What's up guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to make this house. So first you're gonna no. So you can watch my house and after you watch my house I will make a video like level 1 to level 100 into Hacker Simulator. Not Hacker Tycoon, I mean. So, so, so I will show you. So you can paint your walls. I will show you how to paint the walls. So here, go to builds, go to the paint thingy, and you can select your color and check it right here. Oh sheesh. And put you can put anything with this. I'm just showing you if you're a starter of this game. So this is how to make second floors or third floors. Click this and evolve now, but I'm not gonna evolve. If you cannot evolve, this will be red. This thing will be red. So let's go to the top. Let's go to the top. So let's go to the stairs. So these are the computers. So you can hire hackers by doing this. Hackers. Like that. When it's red, you cannot buy it. So let's go to the third floor. So you see that there's a lot of people working here, and these are the servers. So I mean if the next video I will make a level 1 to level 300, and this on the top, that's how much you evolved. Evolve. So let's evolve now. Okay. Okay. So there's supposed to be a second. It's only the third floor. Look. So wait. Sorry. Nasaan tayo?
Sige, wait lang. Okay. Hindi ko alam. Baka meron na kananay.
Okay, so let's paint the roof. Wait lang, Maha.
Kapag may dyan kananay, doon ka naman sa terrace. Antayin mo naman ako. Dali.
Bye-bye, guys.